Yeah.
And all it does is just record the stream so we can upload it to YouTube later.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Yeah.
Ideally, you want
And a lot of people
to
actually
start
like
that.
those.
Yeah, and it just shows what we're working on.
Yeah, especially like I put in updated my LinkedIn profile to add the DAO on there yesterday because I needed to.
Oh,
I
nice.
submitted to Forte, which is one of the NFT management tools, just to see if we qualify. They wanted all these links to media and white papers. And I'm like, dude, we're relatively new. Here's our Discord. Here's our.
Is it worth setting up a LinkedIn nowadays?
I think it is. Yes.
Okay, because I should probably do that.
Yes, be prepared for 1 million people looking to hire you. You get nonstop streams of annoying uh, incoming requests, but so be it.
Yeah.
I mean, I think EA sends me something like every 3 days.
Yay! Wow.
Yeah.
Yay!
So desperate to get people. Yeah, I mean, they just burn through them so fast.
Oh yeah, no, the turnover rate at EA is horrible.
Yeah, that's why they need people so much. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be a game tester for you. Just let me
Well,
do
I don't
my
know
thing.
if the game testers have a high turnover rate, but the developers certainly do.
I can believe that.
Yeah, it's a sweatshop there from what I've heard.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh,
game testing is
jeez.
still a good
I
thing,
would.
though.
EA wife
It-
was a really famous Twitter account of a wife of a guy who worked at. Turned out he worked at the Orlando EA office, or the one here in Central Florida, and poof, it was just ugly.
That bad?
Oh yeah.
jeez. Did another game release.
Another one? Dang.
Yeah, just keep the naming
I-
consistent
So
for now.
Zach, while we're doing this, we do have domain names registered. We should think about setting up like a really simple like WordPressy site or something just for the front end. I don't know if you've done any of that stuff, but if not, I can get somebody else to do it. But if you have any experience with that, getting an actual site where we can, at a minimum, have pointers to the other stuff we're working on and
Yeah.
put up a gist of what
I
it
have.
is. And,
Do you know about Weebly?
no.
Yeah, Weebly is like really early
got it downloaded,
Squarespace, I think.
Okay.
Sure, it's like really early Squarespace, and I've done that a bit. I did learn, what was it? Adobe Dreamweaver.
That's cool.
I have a certification
That's
for Dreamweaver, so.
Yeah, I think they discontinued it, right? But or did they not discontinue? Maybe they didn't.
I don't know. I haven't heard
Dude,
anything about it. I just know.
Yeah,
I know I did some Dreamweaver though. I got the certification for it.
got it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
already got the game downloaded and open.
All right, cool.
Oh. Oh, there's a new build?
Yep, already built.
Yeah, that's the
Alright.
unfortunate part about this is we need to download a new build every time we just do small changes.
Yeah.
Especially now since it literally doesn't work if not everyone has the exact same build.
Yes.
True. Boom. You know what? I'm gonna use the split stick because it's kind of fun.
I think I have to get used to it.
I wonder what happened to my throwable box. We didn't
Where
port
did
it yet.
Alt F4 as a way to shut down a program come from? Does that have any logical meaning to anyone?
I don't know. It's just kind of what everyone's always done.
Yeah, but you think about it. You Control C to copy, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Or
actually have no
Control
idea if
X
there's
to
any
cut,
logic behind Alt
because it
F4.
has an X in it. Cut. On Mac, you Control Q to quit. It's
You do Control Z to go back.
Yeah, that doesn't necessarily make sense either.
yeah, you're right. But it's at least it's a control key.
Yeah. Speaking of front-end stuff, I think it'd be very useful to get an artist on pretty soon to do all our logos and stuff.
Yes.
Since now that we're really
We
getting
were
into, like,
talking
the
about that.
branding
Yes,
stuff.
we were talking about that yesterday.
Cool.
with
We
Zach and
definitely
Liz
do
actually
logos.
found a few. Yep.
Need coloration, like
Color palette.
the colors to be. Yeah.
Yeah. So Liz has she found a few people for us on Upwork that she thought would be good. She also has used 3 different artists for her books, and one of them is just does logos and actually does them freehand and then puts them into the computer. They're pretty sick. She's really ridiculously talented. Maybe I'll see if she's available.
Cool. Yeah, I think it'd also be cool
Kevin,
to have
did you make sure to check your volume?
check my volume. I mean, I know it's low.
You
Because
changed it
unlike
so
you
it's
guys, I
lower.
don't have to download a build.
All right. So
It's true.
start client or what?
Yeah. Let me get a server up real quick. Did I choose the right map? I hope so. Right, everyone can join. I think it would also be cool to have like GIFs and stuff too, because I know you can have GIFs as your like Discord thing.
Oh, the moving?
Yeah.
Yeah, completely.
Or I think Twitch, your Twitch profile can also be a GIF. Is that everyone?
I don't remember that, but I think it can be. There you go, I'm in.
Hey,
Alright, I'm on the ground. Hey!
look at that. Oh yeah, this definitely is doesn't matter.
Did we spawn at the start? The start was in the middle, right?
This is a different map. I accidentally chose the
Oh,
wrong
different one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Did I
someone
already
just die?
die?
Oh, another one's dead.
Damn it.
Yeah,
I'm lagging.
That was fast. I don't think you're lagging. I think when we died, it doesn't know what to do exactly.
Yeah, I think the server just gets confused when someone dies.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We'll
you
have
guys
to
just,
figure that out.
died really fast, and so my
Yeah, we
game
did.
was like,
Alright,
I don't know what to
Dude,
do.
Yeah,
let's try again. Let's see if we got lucky or
so-
if I fixed it.
I think the reason everything is way more deadly is thanks to Fusion being so much better than Pun as far as hit registration goes.
Got it.
So I think everything is just hitting way more now, just because it's working consistently,
Okay.
which is pretty funny. But all right, let's load
we
the correct
did have a
map
drop
this
in
time.
bitrate.
So
there,
all of
though.
these things that say placeholder, why does it say placeholder on it?
Wait, what are you talking about?
Like I'm sorry, I'm looking at the map builder really quick.
Oh,
You don't have a defined.
yeah, that's
sprite
because
for it.
that's like literally what they are. You just place them down and they don't actually do anything. But when you load into the map, it searches for those placeholders and spawns things there, basically.
Got it.
Yeah, not necessarily a good name, just a working name.
So
Yonder
if
doesn't
I
work, and
saved
there's a
a
serpentine turret.
room, if I saved a room, do
That
I now
Cadillac
need to hit
on.
load rooms? Is that what I need to do
Yes.
now?
Although I've noticed the database
There
can be
it is.
inconsistent sometimes. So you
All right,
might
I'm
have to
gonna play
load
as-
it multiple times for it to show
I'll
up.
play as Dungeon Master unless somebody else has
Yeah,
already
no,
started.
go ahead. You gonna
Throw the
host as well? Or?
skeletons.
I will host.
All right.
Go right
All
on.
right.
I want to play with the minigun. That's how we stress test.
Oh no. All right.
I'm doing it. I'm totally doing it.
No, don't go mini. All right, fine, go minigun. Let's see it. Let's see minigun, boys. Let's see it.
Okay, we got 1-2. Is that what I'm seeing down here in Dev Console?
Have you
You're
started the host?
I did start host.
All right. I am joining now.
Okay, hang on. Give me 1
I'm
minute.
joining now too.
I am in whenever everyone else
I am
is ready.
not in yet. I am
There's
not in
one?
yet. Give me 1 sec.
I see 2 pill people.
Yeah,
Give me
you
1
might
sec.
be tricked into seeing more people because if we
More
fall
people
far
if
enough,
it falls too
it'll
far.
teleport
yeah.
us back up. Yeah.
Yeah, but I can tell because they fall faster.
Ah, true.
There's the new pill person. He falls slow. All 3 of you guys are in,
Yes.
right?
Yep, we're all in.
All right.
All right,
Let's
start
go.
game.
I fell through.
I'm alive though.
I fell through as well.
I see.
Holy crap!
Whee! See ya.
Ooh, some fat skeletons.
I think the players are just slower now, actually. So we'll probably have to nerf skeleton speed.
We make a note of that for Jared.
Oh! I made it. I didn't fall through.
Still falling through.
Good job, good job.
Are you
yeah,
a
we
movie?
already
Big
held
explosion. What is the orange thing? I know I played it.
Oh, that's a adjusted placeholder for a big explosion.
Okay.
It's from
my
a weapon
rap.
Jared made.
Yo, I'm fighting big man over here.
He's going down. Yo,
Yeah,
this
baby,
is
let's
really
go.
smooth though.
It is. I
This
can
is
see you guys
so
running
much
around.
better than it was.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, that's it. We won.
We did
Oh,
it.
I still see
We did it.
still 4 little placeholders on my screen.
Yeah,
Or
I don't know
something.
why that happens. I have to figure that out. Oh wait, actually, no, those are skeletons. I was gonna say Jormungandr and the Serpentine turret don't work right now, but
Oh, I did put a Jormungandr.
Don't you run from me, boy.
it's fine though. I'd call that a success.
I
Yeah, I
would
was
too.
going to
Still have to figure out what's falling, making us fall to the floor.
I'm falling to the floor right now still. Each time I fall, I spawn a meteor.
So it has 2 skeletons. That's really interesting. I wonder if they spawned or not.
What happened?
So did you guys see a Jormungandr or no?
No, he wouldn't have
Or-
even been able to spawn.
Okay, but the novice mage you saw, yeah?
Yep, there was a mage, I saw skeletons, I saw an ogre.
There were a bunch of skeletons. I wonder if some of the ones that have their placeholder still here didn't spawn or not.
Actually, yes, that's exactly what happened, because it got to Jormungandr, it couldn't spawn it, and it kind of broke the whole loop.
Got it.
So that's
Okay.
exactly what happened.
Okay, well, let me get rid of that in the map. Let me edit it. Let me go ahead and quit. I'm going to edit the map real quick, and then maybe see if that's what caused the fall through to happen, like if that caused anything with it.
Yeah,
So if
it's
I
possible.
load rooms, can I edit room or no?
Yes, so if you type in the name of your room and then click load room while you're in create room, if you type in the name and
got
then
it.
click load.
Enter your name.
Hold up.
Okay.
Zach,
Load
by the way,
room.
what is that weapon that
Got it.
spawned a giant fireball? What is it called?
It might throw some weird errors, but I don't think it's a problem.
Let me open up the game again.
Okay.
So if I see I can select a square or whatever, how do I delete a Jormungandr?
Right
Called
click.
Comet Fall.
Make sure you have a enemy
What?
What
selected.
is it called?
Have an enemy
Comet.
selected on your thing and then right click.
Thank you, Zach.
Because behind the scenes there's like 2 different placement modes. There's enemy placement mode and object place mode, and you can't like delete the other when you're on one. But you
Okay.
can't delete an object if you have an enemy selected or vice versa.
Understood. Okay.
Not necessarily intuitive, but it helps prevent accidental deletion.
Gone. All right. Save room. Exit. Let me load rooms again. Okay. Toggle on. Play as Dungeon Master. All right. Host is started. If you guys want to jump in.
Yep, I am going to play...
Yeah, give me a second.
Let's play the Pew
What?
Staff. That sounds fun.
Oh, I'm playing Comet Fall.
Comet Fall is so broken. It's
It is.
way too good. Alright, I
There's 2.
am...
I think we're still waiting on 1.
I'll be in a minute.
Ah, you're shooting at me. How dare you?
You're in, Zach? Yep.
I'm in.
All right. Game on.
Oh, I'm going
Oh,
through
we
the
fell
floor.
through.
Ooh.
Somebody's did.
Ah, I fell through again.
Who didn't fall through?
I didn't fall through.
Zach is there.
Okay, so who was the last one to join?
Not me.
Zach was the last one to join this
I
time.
was the last
Who was
one
the,
join.
who was the last one to join last time? Oh, wait.
Oh, no,
So
wait, I
who-
think I
who-
was first, actually. Besides, Kevin, I believe.
The last
So that
one
would
was
mean-
different though, because I actually, after falling through the few times, I got lucky and snagged on.
Yeah, but it was after a couple of minutes, so it may still happen. Why didn't I see the guys on top? Shouldn't I see the guys on top of the map fall through?
It was easier to see
technically we're not
before when
spawning
it was
on
50
top of
up.
it.
It's probably hard to see now that it's only 5 up.
I don't see him at all.
Yeah, it's probably just their rendering can't catch up with the speed at which we're falling. because we are falling quite fast.
Holy crap, that's a fast skeleton chasing you.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, either player needs to be sped up or skeletons need to be slowed down.
Or we should just need to we need to slow down our fall speed as well. That's one
I
of the
like
main-
I like the hit ricocheting bullet spread thing. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like it
All
too.
right,
It's pretty nice.
that was it. That fixed everything loaded in this time. So that was the issue on the placeholder thing. So
All right,
that's
so
cool. So
there's-
now we know what that is.
Everything seems to be working fine except falling through the floor, which I'm quite happy with.
Okay.
I think lowering the fall speed might be the main thing.
Why don't you try to host again? Let me.
Yeah, I want to try one more thing, which we didn't get to do this morning, is I want to try the stress test.
Okay.
Stretch that.
Yes.
Got it. We all
Alright.
go Comet Fall. All of us.
No, there's a room
Oh.
called stress test.
Oh no.
It has like
Oh,
it has
no.
like 300 mobs.
We're recreating Bra, but without the actual gun. Oh no. We're
So
making
I'm
Bra
assuming
into a
Finn
room.
has the best computer, so it should probably be you that hosts
You
it.
want me to? Well, I'm curious if me hosting versus you hosting has a different impact on, because none of us fell through the floor when you hosted.
We could have just gotten really lucky that one time.
I assume we did, but I'm curious if it happens again.
Yeah, we'll try that real quick first, and then we'll do a stress test.
Sounds
Because I'm assuming stress test crashes the server.
good. But
It's
I mean,
like-
Finn's computers was top of the line, but it was top of the line a few years ago. So
yeah,
he says
but,
he doesn't
like,
want any upgrades, but it's still nice, liquid cooled.
if we can actually run the stress test map, that's like massive success. Like,
Cool. All right.
I do need upgrades for my computer.
Now they're relatively hard to find.
yeah, I found a
yeah.
Nvidia has been doing a thing with graphics cards where they give them something called, I think, like low hash rate or something, which basically makes them useless for crypto miners.
Nice.
So they still work fine for everything else, pretty much. Just there's some extreme edge cases, just like crypto mining, just don't work at all.
Okay.
And
I know
you
they
can
were trying
find
to charge
those.
more for hash ones, so that's
Yeah, they're
That's
still
funny.
ridiculously expensive, but you can actually find them if you want them. Like I saw a 3060 Ti for about $1,000, brand new in stock,
wow.
which is still
That's not-
double
that's not
MSRP,
terrible.
but it's not as bad as it was.
Oh, a 60. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's double MSRP, but compared to like 2 months ago when it was triple MSRP.
Yeah,
It's an
I bought
improvement.
I bought a gift off of eBay from a guy who charged like 80% above what retail was because they're sold out everywhere for
Yeah.
somebody.
Um,
But
yeah, I'm gonna
it's
load
alright.
the map. All right, I am in. Everyone can load in.
all right, starting client.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
The rocket launcher it doesn't work for some reason, or at least it throws an error.
That would be mine. Yeah.
Yeah.
I asked if I should avoid new weapons earlier.
Yeah, I had never tested the rocket launcher. That was all Jared. So, it's fine. We can still test it. We'll fall through the map. Is everyone
Yeah.
in?
Yeah, I'm in.
Uh.
That's all.
Oh, nobody made it through this time.
Nobody.
No one made it through.
That's an unfortunate one. Alright, so still gotta figure out why that happens. But other than that, everything runs quite well.
We gotta do stress test, don't we?
Yeah,
stress-
yeah,
we can
stress
just-
test is like the ultimate test.
All right, I'll stress test it from this one.
Alright. There's a few stress tests, things with stress tests in there.
You want medium or which
just
one?
the normal stress test. That one's the real stress test. The other ones aren't actually stress tests. I don't know why they're named that.
All right, hold on. I'm restarting. Give me a sec.
Yeah.
All right, which one do you want me to test?
Just stress tests.
Stress test.
So not
Alright,
small or
wait.
medium. But just
All right, I'll dungeon master it as well.
yeah, go ahead.
All right, host is started.
Oh, this is gonna be really loud, by the way.
Yeah, it is going to be real loud.
Let me know when you're in.
I am in.
There's one.
Oh, I can already see it struggling. Well, actually,
even
that's
started.
weird. It shouldn't be struggling yet.
I'm
Maybe it was just
in.
something weird with the server. Alright.
Everybody's in.
I'm here.
I'm here. I fell through.
I think maybe what's happening.
I think I got disconnected
that-
from the server.
I think what's happening is that everything is when we spawn the map, we're already below.
Well, but it teleports you back above it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, before we fell for a long ways before we landed. We could see it down below us.
Yeah, but it definitely teleports you back above it.
All right. Well, whatever's happening here,
I think I just got DC from the server though.
All right. Well, there's millions of guys just wandering around waiting to kill things, shooting and stuff.
Yeah, and me and Key are below the
All right.
map.
So,
All right.
hey,
let's try again.
two out of 3 of us I actually loaded in though on the stress test. Because that's like a ridiculous amount of enemies. There would never be that many. There's like over 300.
All right,
Host is started, guys. Go ahead and jump in.
Alright.
If you guys can all like wait and count down 3, 2, 1 and join, then maybe we can see if we can sync it. I can time it where you guys all end up in the air at the same time.
Maybe.
I mean, it literally, as soon as you press start game, it searches for all of us and teleports us to the top. And in the same frame, so. I don't think that's what it is.
Alright, I am in.
I am in as
Everybody's
well.
in?
Yep.
I'm in, yep.
Back you in?
I am.
Oh, stop shooting at me.
In.
Hey,
Oh,
2 of you
I'm
are on
here.
top.
I fell
I'm
through.
ready for the
No!
ear explosion.
Oh, my ear!
Hey, yo, it's actually running though.
It runs fine.
The
Yeah,
frame rate
I
is
died
extremely low,
instantly.
but it's running.
On my screen, it looks
Right, I died.
fine. They all just killed you. But yeah, it was
I
fun. They
died
all came
instantly.
running at you in
That's
real time.
amazing. Wow, Fusion is such an They were not lying when they said this was so much better than Pun.
Yeah, it was pretty sick.
I didn't stay on the platform, but I'm still alive. It's running. It's
So
working.
literally the only reason it's lagging now is because it has to do 7,000 batches to render this.
Okay.
Which I don't know how to fix. I have to look into that, or I don't know. Maybe I should probably talk to David. He probably knows how to do this.
You could.
Because there's got to be some way to batch all these enemies together into the same render, or not the same, but at least significantly less.
Right. There's probably a good YouTube video on it too. Probably solve it in no time.
Yeah. But yeah, that was a massive success. That was way better than I was
That was a
expecting it to
massive
go.
success.
That was a lot
All
better than I
right.
thought it would be.
That alone literally made this entire last month of ripping out Pun worth it.
Love it. Oh, that's awesome. All right. So, how do we address the floor? So, popping above it doesn't solve it.
I don't know. I have to think of a clever solution.
Maybe
to
you
this.
can go. The code's open source. Why don't you jump into the chat, the Discord channel for Fusion, and say, "Hey guys, I'm spawning above the floor, and we're falling through. Any guesses?"
Yeah,
Well,
yeah,
I do have a small idea, but I think
Good
what we should
idea,
try doing is
soldier.
creating a separate scene that we would initially spawn into, and we would have a platform that we would all be able to stand on, with walls, so we don't, run off and fall infinitely again. And then, as we get teleported to the actual map that we're trying to play on, we're not already falling at Mach 3.
Yeah, I actually kind of like that idea, except it can be done way simpler.
Well, then
All I
let's
have
try that
to
out.
do is when I teleport someone, I can just set their velocity to 0.
Ooh,
Try
let's try
that.
that right now. Try that.
Yeah, let's
try
try
that.
that.
Actually,
Build 16.
Build 16, here we come.
What is this?
Build
Build 3 in one day? Let's
16.
go. 3 builds. Woo!
it's like a fourth.
I don't know. I'm half paying attention.
All right, how would
The
I
build
do
count.
this? So when I teleport here, I want to do CC dot
I got a question for you.
velocity equals vector 3 dot 0.
It's a Kevin question.
Yep.
Bill.
Teleported bread.
You did what? You told me to.
How much?
I have done nothing but teleport
I've
bread
done
for
nothing
3
but
days.
Teleport bread for 3 days.
What is wrong with you?
Oh.
I will not allow you to appear here again.
I don't know, guys. I kind of think Jared was wrong. I think it's better when we left the humor in our humor.
You see, exactly.
Wait, what?
Jared said we distilled humor down to its finest essence, where the humor is not even there and it's better.
Give me
I think
No,
I said
this
I think
is-
it was I think it was better when there was humor in our humor.
No, this is the peak of humor. This is like
This is the
there is
absolute.
nothing
yes.
funnier than Gen Z humor.
Oh.
I don't know about that. I think fart jokes are literally
I mean, those never age.
never age. The Romans were doing them. We should be doing them still. If the great Romans did them, why can't we still do them?
Hey. Should bring back the vomitorium too, right?
Torium? Oh no.
The vomitorium. Like when they go and have their bacchanal, their big festivals, they had a specific room dedicated to going and throwing up in so you get back to the party.
That's pretty cool.
Just saying. Or we don't want to bring everything back. It's one of the two.
I mean, I would like to bring back the Roman roads where they had like little pits for water to gather so animals could drink. That'd be cool. Is that not a gift key?
No, he just stand.
Is Life of Brian still a cult film with Gen Z, or did it not make the cut?
I don't know.
I've never heard of it, so it might not have made the cut.
So Monty Python's Holy Grail made the cut, I assume.
Yes, that one did.
Okay, because Life of
Okay.
Brian is actually my favorite Monty Python movie. It's about Jesus' next door neighbor. It's amazing. Anyway, there's a scene in there where they are in the Colosseum, and it's this group that wants to overthrow the Romans, and they're like, "What did the Romans ever do for us?" And they go, "Well, there was the aqueducts,
Yeah.
clean water, and they were like, the aqueducts and clean water and extending healthcare and this and this. What did the Romans ever do for us?"
Advanced human
Somebody did do
civilization.
another exactly, and they kept going on for like 5 minutes.
Yeah,
And they're like
literally.
bringing that outside of this and 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 this. What did the Romans ever do for us?
Advanced
Nothing!
civilization by hundreds and hundreds of years just by existing.
Yeah, it was great. And there's the People's Front of Judea versus the Judean People's Front. The two splinter groups. It's an amazing movie.
That sounds really funny.
Yeah, it's fantastic. There's humor in that humor.
Yeah, it's like that VeggieTales joke where they say, in the future, all comedy will be randomly generated.
It is right.
They were totally right.
They were totally right. Yeah.
There's
The
no
fact that
reason-
Weed Eater is unironically funny now.
Oh my god.
Can't just say
What is
weed
the
eater.
there's a YouTube channel that you guys probably all know, but it was like the weirdest crap ever that Bella would put on whenever she came over here. Person told you about. of just like this weird, like disembodied head that just over and over again. I'm like, and she's like losing her mind, cracking up at this. I'm like, man, I thought I was gonna like be hipping with it forever, and I'm so wrong.
Yeah, I don't know. That sounds a little off to me too. But
Hold on.
Are you putting it in the chat?
I'm looking for it.
What the hell is that called? It was like some kind of like not meta humor. It was like
Ian's such a liar.
I'm not a liar.
He just
First he
lied.
stands, then he falls. I do not
When
see
I
any
type in
problem.
disembodied floating head in YouTube, does it autofill to the floating disembodied head of Colonel Sanders?
What?
that. That might have been part of it.
Alright, I posted a build.
You did.
Another one.
Zach is baiting us. We think it's fake, but then it's not.
Zachary, stop making me think. I'm not supposed to do that.
Think what?
Think. I can't think. I'm not allowed to do that. You know this.
Well, it's not my fault. You have free will.
Do I?
What were the what did they call themselves? Like the guys that were like Salvador Dali and all those. It wasn't impressionists. They were the hell did they call themselves?
Abstractions?
Moreau. Uh, Moreau.
Yeah, no, I don't remember what that was.
I have now opened the new.
Are you talking about this? Floating head?
What are you putting it in the?
Games.
Yeah, that was part of it. Yeah, it had the white weird head thing. But what
Yeah.
is that one called?
I don't remember.
Yo, he's gotta get that Bepsu.
Surrealist. Surrealist. That was it.
I
can
don't
drink the beefus.
remember what it's called.
I'll
His
be over
name
to
was Meme
download the
Man.
game in just a sec.
No, I don't think it is, Key.
No, I literally just looked it up. Well, his name
I think
is
you're
Memer
wrong.
Man.
I think
Bro,
you're wrong.
I'm not.
I think you're wrong. Your opinion is wrong, and so are your views.
Nice. YouTube. Absurdist humor. And there's a guide to why Gen Z humor is so weird.
Please, everything's weird.
Gen Z
I love
humor
it.
is a masterpiece.
Shame I'm not
Like,
Gen Z.
it's like Andy Kaufman. Like,
It's literally Gen Z humor is based on an inside joke that everyone on the internet is in on. That's literally.
Well, except our
Gen Z
inside
humor.
joke. Our inside joke of I wish he wasn't.
Yeah, well, yeah. You memo wife?
Yeah, I am. I got it downloaded and open, ready for you to.
My husband is dead.
Wish he wasn't.
All right, I give up. I will go find the videos for you later. I'm gonna go jump into the game.
All right.
Yeah, I think it had surrealist something in the name.
I'll go ahead and host, I guess.
Cool.
Ooh,
Let me go
Yes.
through and
black map.
answer 18 times that yes, I actually want to download this. Yes, I want to
Record.
edit it. Yes, I want to
the
install it.
18th
Yes, I
time
want to
is
run
always
it.
the
And yes,
best.
I want to open the firewall.
They're just making sure.
Or no, you might be downloading the virus.
Well, let me download my virus. I'm a big boy.
Yeah, he's a big boy. Let him download.
Emma's also a big girl, but she can still
Officially
download
run
viruses better than
anyway.
you.
Allow access. All right. I'm going with Glacial Shard. All right, is the host running?
Yep.
All right, I'm in. Sorry, that took so long.
All right. I think, is Zach in yet?
I'm in.
Key in?
Ooh. Yeah, I'm in. I was the first one.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Yay,
Hey,
we're all here.
We're all in.
I'm gonna just see if
Let me
that's
try to host. Yeah, let me quit and see if it's. I'll host.
Bro, someone
Go.
just got murdered. The skeleton mob just rolled up.
Oh,
Yo.
destroyed the mob.
Yeah, no.
This
What's it
one
called
guy,
is
though,
way
just
too good.
Go away.
What's the name of that weapon again?
This one's called the Comet Hall.
Yeah, Comet Fall is way too good. Jared said he was actually gonna buff it up to the unique.
Oh, I got
tier.
rid of it in one hit. Woo!
Yeah, no, it needs to be either nerf or
Yeah, Jared said he was just gonna keep it as it is, but buff it up a tier.
oh yeah, no, it needs to be unique.
Yeah.
All right.
That was good.
100% unique.
Everybody bailed?
Kind.
All right, I'm starting Dungeon Master.
Sounds good.
And I'm starting host.
Yeah, there's. I also want to
I
test to
am
see if the
very
Dungeon
happy
Master
with the way
cannot be the
that turned
host.
out.
Because it's supposed to be able to not be the host, but we haven't gotten that.
All
far
right.
yet.
Well, let's try one first.
Yeah,
I'll do the
Sure.
host, and you can DM next time. All right. I see one faller.
That's me.
New one, and I gotta do something.
Follower.
Go ahead.
I've never fallen.
You've never fallen?
Never fallen.
There's two.
That might have just been me again.
1 second.
Oh nope, I do see someone. Going.
There's.
Oop.
Everyone in?
Yep. All in.
All right. All in. Starting game.
Hey, that
Hey!
worked.
It's consistent.
Guys, I'm so impressed. You came up with the
Yeah, that was a good solution.
super solution. Run away!
20 health. 10
I'm
health.
so
help me.
dead.
Woo! Oh, I just up and died.
Yeah, skeletons are way too good.
So,
No, when they mob up like that, they're
are
too
you
good. We
actually
gotta spread
shooting?
them
Because I
out.
can't see any shooting coming out of your weapon. Whoever's shooting now. Never mind. You're all dead.
Shotgun?
Yeah.
No, I don't think
Alright.
shotgun has any projectiles right
So
now.
shotgun.
Any visible
Last time I
projectiles.
checked, Jared gave shotgun 10,000 units per second speed. So they might just
Okay.
straight up be invisible by just being faster than the speed of light.
All right. So
That could be it.
I'm going to play, and I'm gonna host. Are you guys all out?
Yeah,
Yep.
we're all out.
All right, yeah. So
All right,
you
I'm hosting,
host,
so
but
you
I'll
can go
join
and
as
DM.
DM. Yeah, I want to see if that works.
You already got it hosted?
Yep. Jump in.
All right, let me select a
Jumping in.
room.
I'm not using the comet file anymore because it takes way too long to hit the ground.
But it's also way too good.
But it's also a one shot for everything.
All right, start client.
Third client.
All right, I am now in as the DM as a client. Is everyone
We're
in?
still in the air.
Yeah, we're all in.
Are you? Oh, I just
Yeah.
landed.
Hey,
Yeah,
it's
that worked.
working.
Oh,
All
there's
right.
one.
Bob,
Oh, never mind. It's not working. I can't select the enemies.
I didn't think you could select the enemies before, could you?
Oh no, wait. I kind of can select the enemies. Okay, so I can direct click to select the enemies, but the drag box isn't working on the client. Alright, that's fine.
And
Right here.
I forgot that beam weapons are still broken, and I picked the Eye of God, and it doesn't work.
Beam weapons should work. I don't know why they don't.
Beam weapons are broken. I'm getting an asset exception that prefabs can't be null.
Oh, yeah, that might just be something
outta here,
bad
skeleton.
with how it's set up. Probably not directly related to beams, but... Alright, yeah, so I need to fix selection box not working if the DM is a client.
Make a ticket for that so you can just...
Done!
Woohoo!
Dude, that worked!
Yeah!
Let's go.
Oh, now the selection... Oh, no, wait, it was never working. Just kidding.
Success!
Yeah, that works really well.
I'm proud of that.
Yeah, that was a month of basically rebuilding half the game.
Holy crap, that's cool.
And it works a lot better than I thought it would.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
now I want to be able to have some badass rooms designed.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
Oh,
and
absolutely. I
mobs and all
cannot
that.
wait to start actually making mazes and all that.
Jared had a bunch of building blocks, but I don't think we added them just yet.
They're on the main branch, not on this branch. We'll get
We
them
gotta
back
port
once we
those in.
fuse. Once we not fuse, merge into the main
Yeah.
branch.
I love it.
Yeah,
Love
I'm
it so
proud
much.
of that one, man.
Yes, I am very pleased. I am still by far the most impressed with the stress test. Everything still worked just fine. It was just, you know,
Now that you guys
very
aren't falling through,
low
you want to
frame
try it one more time?
Absolutely.
with the stress
Let's try
test.
the stress test.
Oh, everyone
three,
has
you
to bring
guys
comet
survive.
fall.
Yeah, everyone grab
all
Comet
right.
Fall.
Yeah, you guys do
Sure.
that. I'm loading rooms.
I got Comet Fall. Playtest waiting for
All
you
right,
to start
stress
the host.
test. Play as Dungeon Master. Start host. Jump on in.
Oh,
Start client.
There's this weird bug sometimes where it just refuses to connect to Firebase, and it'll crash if you try to load something from Firebase.
Alright, I am in.
All right.
also-
I am not quite in.
I'll wait
yet.
on Kevin, I think.
Yep. No worries.
There we go. Right, Comet Fall, play, start client.
Alright, let's go.
I'm
We in?
All in.
Game on.
Alright, stress
Oh,
test,
we're
let's
all
go.
here.
Oh, it's gonna. My side is looking fine.
Yeah, no, the frames are definitely really low because of the rendering, but that's not the networking. The networking.
No, the
is working
networking.
fine.
There are a billion skeletons.
Oh, I died.
Whoever that is.
I died too.
I think we
I'm
got
still
like half of
alive.
them.
Still
though.
alive.
I'm still alive!
Oh, not anymore.
I think we got
No,
half of
not
them.
anymore.
Dude, that worked great. All the skeletons, like when you got close to them, all of them came running. Like
Yeah,
40
no,
up
it
at once.
immediately picked
That
up and knew what it was
actually-
doing.
It worked.
And on my end, I
That's
could see
sick.
them coming too. There was no delay in them.
Yeah, the computer here doesn't even sound like it's melting.
I had
Yeah,
lag for sure.
Like Fusion
Still
supposedly
predict where
said
they were going to be.
that their network objects ran 10 times more efficient than Unity's official networked objects. Which
That's
is probably better than the 10-year-old pun objects. So this should be theoretically way better. And it
even when
definitely
was
is. I mean,
lagging
clearly
too,
that would have
I
been
could
impossible on
predict
Pun.
where they were going to be.
Yeah,
I
that would
actually
have
predict
predict
with that.
where
That's really
things were
good.
gonna be.
definitely not been possible on Pun.
All right, I would call that success.
Massive success.
I would too.
Massive success.
Right. I guess I can go ahead and end the stream now.
All right, this is great.
Yeah,
Should I upload this
Yeah,
to
why
my
not?
YouTube channel?
Yeah, we put it on the Dungeons and Blasters YouTube channel, right?
Oh, do we have one? I didn't get.
I just-
I didn't get linked to one.
It should have been in your email, right? Or is that
No,
not in
one.
the list?
I don't think that one was there.
All right, well, let's put it up.
there is no YouTube one.
There's no
There's
YouTube.
Insta,
Okay.
Twitch, Twitter.
Oh, that's because they're set up weird. Let me see if I can go in. I set one up. She didn't set that one up. Hold on, let me
Okay.
switch.
Yeah, and there's a way to
Uh,
give other people like access to YouTube channels, so
Yep.
you don't have to.
If I
actually
switch
log in.
accounts, I'm switching to Mashup Studios. Done. And then I can go in here. Settings.
Here, I'll go ahead and stop
Not what
recording.
I wanted.